We are pleased to show you the 2022 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.